how you can create your SRT file from your video. I'm going to show you the free method. I searched many websites in online. These are not very helpful for me. So guys, I'll show you the second way how you can easily convert your video to SRT file. From this, we need to open our video editing software. I use Premiere Pro. In this software, you can easily create your video file to SRT file. So I'm going to create my sequence. And now I'm going to this section, caption and graphics from here. So guys, you can see my file is ready. You can see the all text in here. From here, we need to go this icon, 3-dot icon in here. You can also edit this from here. If I double click on here, you can see I can also edit or delete something. So after this, we need to click on 3-dot icon from here. And we need to click on export. Go to export and export to text file. From here, click on save. So after export this file, we need to go our YouTube channel. And from here, we need to go this subtitle option in the left side. From here, which video you want to add subtitle in your video, select this one. I'm going to select this video. From here, add language in your video. Many type of language you can select. Bengali, English and many other language you can add in your video. Hindi and many more. So I'm going to add language in my video. I'm going to select English India. And then we need to edit this. You can see the edit option. You can see this pen icon in here. And we will click this. So after this, we need to upload our file. If I click on upload here, without timing, you can see. Now this time it will add our video with timing. So this is our file. We can add in our video. So if you want to delete, you can delete this. So now our file is ready and we need to click on publish from here. So guys, in this way you can easily add subtitle in your video. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. So if you learned something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.